Concrete pipe protects local communities every day from the dangers and costly damage of floods and washouts. Its ability to endure challenging environments and large volumes makes it the preferred choice among municipalities for stormwater infrastructure. Careers in concrete pipe manufacturing are rewarding, stable, and diverse, offering competitive wages, benefits, and growth opportunities in local manufacturing. County Materials is an industry-leading manufacturer of concrete pipe and precast structures. Our reliable, long-lasting products help build stronger, safer communities where Americans live, work, and play. From raw material sourcing and production to sales and delivery of product, and administrative and managerial support, there are abundant career opportunities in concrete pipe manufacturing at County Materials. Our dynamic and growing company welcomes hard-working people with little to advanced levels of experience. We rely on dump truck drivers to haul raw materials to production facilities, where they are used by plant team members to manufacture long-lasting concrete pipe and precast products. Quality control technicians test these products and ensure their reliability, while technical resource engineers work with industry leaders to advance and promote these products to engineers and municipalities. Yard team members oversee inventory and assist flatbed drivers as they prepare to deliver our products to construction sites. Support in dispatch, accounting, risk, sales, and marketing are essential in this process as well. Together, we're building a company that hard-working people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.